going everyone, and hope you're doing well. Welcome to this boot review of the Harvey Elliott's New Balance Furons. Very comfortable football boots. The sole plate is designed for FG, and I believe you can also wear them with AG with the amount of studs that they have on the stud patterns. As you can see here, it's not very aggressive as well, so you can wear them on the artificial grass and firm grass, so 2 pitches in one. So it's a very nice football boot. The control materials here are very nice and gives a very nice feel for the ball and touch. Very soft in the toe box area, and you'll break into the boot after 1 or 2 training sessions. Didn't have much problems with the blisters whilst breaking into the boot. The heel cushion could be a bit softer, but there is a nice little cushion at the bottom bit. At the top bit it's just a bit stiff, so that could be a little improvement. But if you like a speed boot, that is a mix with a control type. So if you're like a playmaker or a number 8 in midfield, these are perfect football boots for you, as they implement speed and also touch and control. And in terms of feet types, if you've got narrow, normal and wide feet, you can definitely wear these for a speed boot, which is very nice. Usually speed boots are for narrow to normal feet, so if you've got wide feet, definitely get these, especially if you want a speed boot. If you have very wide feet, maybe go a half size or 1 size up, but do try them on before getting these, because at the end of the day, speed boots maximum probably fit is wide feet. If you've got very wide feet, then go for a control football boot like the New Balance Tekela. So that will be your alternative. But all in all, a very nice boot and a very nice custom made design. Please leave a comment down below as well on what you think of these, and if you have a pair or not. And yeah, and I'll see you next time for another unboxing or boot review. All the very best and take care.